Well, hey everyone, welcome to Rat Dog Bicycles. We're going to get back on this hopper. I think I might take the front fork off and maybe the bottom bracket. So let me get you closer in so you can see what I'm doing. Let's see if I can lower it down. See if I can lower it just a little more. There we go. Okay. We're going to keep hitting the thing, trying to tighten it down. Okay. Adjustable wrench here. Whoops, missed it. Dropped the tool. One of these little pick things come real handy. Crunchy sounding or something. Hope there ain't nothing damaged. I hadn't had this before. These are something on the threads or something. What's going on here? Thing or something. Oh, cup. Okay, that's kind of weird. Still got grease in there. That's good. At least that ain't totally wasted. Supposed to thread on there? Oh no, it's not threaded. Okay. It just slides on there like that. Get this out of here. Come on, get out of there. Hopefully you can see it. It's got rust on the stem right here. Of course, this is all rusted. Paint's gone. There's some rust in here. Get that cleaned up. Ooh, okay. I didn't plan on that. Wow. Go up high. That thing's a little fat. Get you. Put that down. There we go. If I can zoom it in a little. Okay. Alright, let's tackle this. This might be bad. Okay, I might not be able to get that off yet. Okay, I believe I got some good old-fashioned WD-40. So let's spray this baby. I didn't do that first time. I should have done that before I started. Shake it up a little bit up in there. Alrighty. There it is, right there in front of my face. Okay. Alrighty. Take it to a little small hammer. There we go. Just go show you. You can use some normal tools. Everyday tools, good. Gosh, this is scary. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, this is not good. Oh my. Holy cow. Can y'all see that rust? There is not a speck of grease on this thing. Holy cow. Oh, I figured this was going to be the worst of it. Oh, man, hope I can save that. Wow. Wow. That's all I can say. Whoops, up nut. Got the other bearing. I was trying to see the nut. Where it's going. Yeah. So you see that. It's got some rust on this one side. This one's not as bad as the other one. Okay. Put that nut back on that. Wow. This cup is totally rusty. Wow. Probably should have left those forks on there. Probably would have been better. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's see if you can see this other cup. Nope. Okay. Oops, sorry guys. There we go. Fasten everything down. Well, I guess I'll save that for the next episode. That one's stuck. Y'all have a great day. And keep riding your bikes, guys.